the first nuclear bomb meant to kill humans exploded over Hiroshima, Japan on August 6, 1945. 3 days later, a second bomb detonated over Nagasaki. The death toll for the two bomb blasts an estimated 214,000 people. And the destruction wrought by these weapons was so unprecedented in the history of warfare. So how this much destructive thing was made? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Watch with Nachos, and today we will talk about nuclear bomb. So the first atomic bomb was made by a team from America, which was led by theoretical physicist J. Robert Oppenheimer. The atomic bomb is a type of nuclear weapon that works by harnessing the power of atomic reactions. To understand how it works, first we need to understand a little bit about atoms. Atoms is the basic building blocks of matter. They are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. The protons and neutrons are located in the nucleus, while the electrons orbit around the nucleus. Now there are two nuclear reactions: nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. In a fusion reaction, two light nuclei merge to form a single heavier nucleus. This process releases tremendous amount of energy. This reaction happens in our sun and all the stars around there. Whereas in a nuclear fission, fission occurs when a neutron slams into a larger atom, forcing it to excite and split into two smaller atoms. An additional neutron is released, which initiates the next chain reaction, and the cycle continues. When an atom is split apart, a tremendous amount of energy is released. This is the basic principle behind the atomic bomb. The atomic bomb works by using a small amount of special type of uranium called uranium-235. Uranium is an element which is found rarely on Earth. When a neutron collides with a uranium-235 atom, the atom becomes unstable and splits apart into two smaller atoms, releasing a large amount of energy in the process. This energy is released in the form of heat and radiation. To control this chain reaction, the atomic bomb uses a mechanism called a tamper. The tamper is made of heavy material like uranium-238 or lead, which helps to keep the reaction contained and focused. When the tamper is surrounded by a layer of explosives, the resulting explosion compresses the tamper and forces the uranium-235 atoms closer together. This increases the likelihood of a neutron colliding with a uranium-235 atom, which in turn increases the power of a chain reaction. Finally, the atomic bomb also contains a small amount of substance called trigger. The trigger is usually made of plutonium-239 and is used to start the chain reaction when the bomb is detonated. When the bomb is detonated, the explosives surrounding the tamper are set off, compressing the tamper and causing the uranium-235 atoms to split apart. The resulting explosion releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of heat and radiation, creating a massive shock wave that can level an entire cities. The effect of this bomb is so destructive that after blasting it releases harmful radiations, which are not at all good for us. The radiations can cause cancer and chronic diseases. It takes around 10 seconds for the fireball from a nuclear explosion to reach its maximum size, but the effects last for decades and span across generations. Currently, there are 9 countries in the world who have their own nuclear weapons: Russia, United States, United Kingdom, France, China, India, Pakistan, Israel, and North Korea. So that's the basic overview of how the atomic bomb works. It's a devastating weapon that has the power to cause untold destruction and suffering. While the atomic bomb has been used only for a handful of times in history, it continues to be a powerful symbol of the destructive potential of human technology. So that's it for today's topic, working of an atomic bomb. Thank you. Namaste.